It is now 4 o'clock p.m. on August 3 Beijing time. The video yesterday suggested that EURUSD should sell short above 1.1030. After the release, the highest price was 1.0991, which was 39 points away from the entry point and fell to 1.0914 ahead of schedule, with a total drop of 77 points. Although the direction is correct and the entry point is not reached, it will not be included in the transaction list statistics chart. Then there is gold, because there are still long orders entering the market from 1945 to 1932. No new points were issued yesterday. After the signal was launched, some orders entered the market from the lowest price to 1941.5. Lao Dai reminded the group to sell when the gold price rose to 1954 last night, earning a profit of $900 to $1,250 per lot. In addition to manual trading orders every day, EA programs can also be used to complete transactions. The Lao Dai's account has been used it all the time. The income for the entire July was $70,724, which is equivalent to an 11.8% yield, and remained in the monthly range of 10 to 17%. It has been recalculated since August, and as of today, it is $4,322. It is expected that the market this month will be more suitable for programmatic trading than June and July, and the income estimate will also increase slightly. If you need to observe the historical operation records and the whole process of daily real-time trading, add the contact information on the screen to ask me for the password of the main account, and you will have a week of observation time. If it suits you, consider joining the trader group or participating in account management business to copy trading. How to operate today? First, look at EURUSD. Last night, the US ADP data strengthened, and the expectation of strong employment also brought support to the US dollar and US bond yields, which corresponded to another decline in EURUSD, approaching the 1.0900 integer mark. However, there is no major capital movement in EURUSD, and more small ups and downs. Before that, the volatility is relatively limited. It is estimated that short-term funds will be evasive before the non-farm pillars on Friday. The support below 1.0900 can still be followed. Before the high-risk data, you can wait for a better position in 1.0884 to 1.0820 to do long positions, with stop loss at 1.0809. Gold broke through the 1940 support and returned to the starting point of 1935 when the US CPI data was released in July. If you want gold to rise sharply, you need to pay attention to whether the Fed has more signals to end interest rate hikes. Only when US bond yields fall, gold prices will strengthen. The key resistance at the top is farther away at 1973 and 1985, and you can continue to pay attention to the support at 1935 to 1920 at the bottom. But there is no sign of stabilization in the short-term trend, and you can wait for 1925 to 1912 to do long, stop loss at 1910. In addition to Europe and gold, 2 to 3 products will be selected from the 5 targets of GBP, AUD, JPY, silver, and crude oil, including their supports, resistance, and directions will be given for reference. The upper part is yesterday's signals review chart, and the lower part is today's point view sharing. But it is only recommended for traders who have a certain short-term trading basis. The target point is not placed on the video. Lao Dai will also watch the market trend and notify more accurate selling tips in the group. Scan the QR code on the top of the screen for cooperation consultation, and contact me. Finally, I will give you a famous quote from Tom Sturz Elliott.